What's the meaning of allowable? Allowable. 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 Allowable.
The word allowable refers to something that is permitted or acceptable within a given context or set of rules. It implies that there are limitations or restrictions in place, but within these boundaries, certain actions or behaviors are deemed acceptable. Being allowable means that something is within the range of what is considered permissible or legal. For example, certain deductions on taxes may be allowable under the law. The concept of allowability is important in establishing standards and guidelines for various activities, from financial transactions to scientific experiments.